TikTok, Macau Food Talk. I take What's up, guys? It's Tigman right here. Today, I'm at the Old Taipa district. What are we gonna go eat? Two of my favorite sandwiches. 辣鱼包, 巨扒包. Come on, let's go. Before we go eat, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here we go. First off, 辣鱼包, spicy sardine sandwich. 辣鱼包。最後放點芝士。
It's made with curry, there's onion in it, and definitely there's some Portuguese sardines in there. It's delicious.
Now there's an interesting fact about spicy sardine sandwich. You can actually tell if they're Macau locals or if they're from Hong Kong just by the way they pronounce the spicy sardine sandwich in Chinese. 澳門人通常都係會講辣魚包，而香港人呢通常都會講辣魚包。Yep， 我都有做一個香港人同埋澳門人嘅用語同口音 video， 你可以喺呢度睇下。And about the famous Macau pork chop bun, you don't really have to go to a specific place to get it. Usually any Chai Chan will do and they will be decent. But if you want some really good ones, you can ask around to see what specific place you can go to and hopefully you'll find your way there. Or you can leave a comment below and there'll be recommendations for you.
招牌喎，豬扒包有少少辣嗰個。辣嗰個。係。
Look at that. This is amazing, man. This is so good. So good. This is one of the best things about Macau. There's good eats everywhere. You hungry? Grab a bite. You hungry? Grab a bite. That was awesome. My hunger is satisfied. That's it for today. If you guys ever come to Macau, you guys gotta try all these Macau eats. All these little Macau eats. You're gonna love it. I'm out. Peace.